Discuss the chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. This is a very important topic in organic chemistry, right? In this unit we will discuss how can we prepare alcohol, phenol and ether. We will discuss physical and chemical properties of alcohol, phenol and ether and its organic conversion. Clear? Now we will start from alcohol. Alcohol are the hydroxy derivative of an alkane. It means when we replace hydrogen atom of an alkane and we add OH group, then compound formed is known as the alcohol. It means hydroxy derivative of an alkane is known as the alcohol. For example, if R is equal to CH3, then it will be CH3H. Now we replace H and add OH. Now it forms the methyl alcohol. Clear? This is the method of this is the introductory part of alcohol. What do you mean by alcohol? Alcohol are the hydroxy derivative of an alkane. For example, C2H5H. C2H5H is ethane. Now we replace hydrogen atom and add OH group. Then it will be ethyl alcohol. Clear? Therefore, hydroxy derivative of an alkane is known as the alcohol. Clear? Note down in your copy. General formula of an alcohol. General formula of an alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 dot OH. If we are placing the value of n is equal to 1, then it will be methyl alcohol. If we write the value of n is 2, then molecule will be ethyl alcohol. If we are writing the value of n is equal to 3, then it will be the propyl alcohol. And they are formed the homologous series of alcohol. Clear? Therefore, what is the general formula of an alcohol? CnH2n plus 1 dot OH. If we put the value of n as 1, then the first member of an alcohol series is methyl alcohol. If we put the value of n is 2, then the formula of alcohol will be ethyl alcohol. If we put the value of n as 3, then it will be the propyl alcohol. Clear? Now note down formula in a copy. Now the next part of this chapter is classification of alcohol. In this part we will study how alcohol will be classified. Alcohol will be classified into two parts. One is aliphatic alcohol, second one is aromatic alcohol. Right? Aliphatic alcohol again divided into four categories: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. Clear? Monohydric alcohol are those which consist of only one OH group. Monohydric alcohol are those which consist of only one OH group. Its example will be methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. These are the monohydric alcohol, right? Dihydric alcohol are those which consist of two OH group. The alcohol which consists of two OH group, they are known as the dihydric alcohol. Ethylene glycol is the example of dihydric alcohol. It consists of two OH group. The alcohol which consists of two OH group, they are known as the dihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol are those which consist of three OH group. Right? I am making the example of trihydric alcohol here. CH2 OH, CH, OH, CH2 OH. It consists of three OH group. That's why it is known as the trihydric alcohol, and its name is glycerol. Glycerol belongs to the category of trihydric alcohol. Next, polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol are those which consist of more than three OH group. They are known as the polyhydric alcohol, and I am making its example here. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, and this is known as the